looks great. So you don't have to. Oh my God! Look at what's. I gotta.
Shit.
Do you see what that is that he's winter driving?
No, I don't know what it is.
That's an Aston Martin and a new one.
Holy shit.
I really hope I catch up to him because that is going on Toronto Car Spotting. That's awesome. Assuming he has winter tires, that's awesome. Alright. Oh my God, that is amazing.
Yeah.
That's like a DB9, I guess. Probably DB9 or DBS, I can't really tell. Maybe even, yeah. Oh wow, that is
31.
Is that a Raptors thing? I wonder if that's a Raptors.
Yes.
I wonder.
So you check the numbers. 31 something 18.
That
we'll
is,
find out who it is.
Yeah, probably. Oh man, that is cool. That takes balls. That's going on the internet for sure. This guy in the biggest storm of the year, driving his Aston Martin with vanity plates and not really struggling, but maybe a little. If he's struggling, he's doing a good job of not showing it. He's staying in the lane.
Sentra, if he doesn't
yeah.
settle down a little bit.
You're gonna owe someone $200,000 in body work.
Yeah.
Oh man, that is beautiful. I wonder if that is an. He looks kind of short.
He's white.
Short white guy, probably not in the Raptors.